baby. You guys took too long. You made me record, so I had to put it down. Why don't you hold this so I can help her? I'm scared. She was checking out the house, and you guys had to come in, so she hid.
What?
Aw, it's my kitty! My kitty's here!
Yeah. What do you think?
It's my best friend Kitty!
Yeah.
Oh, cute
Did you hear that? No, let mommy get her.
Back up. Mommy get her.
I pet her.
You better.
Oh, you got Wait! It's you! Does she run?
Yeah, she ran under the couch.
She ran to a couch?
Yeah.
Okay, she's killing her! Yes, no.
There we go. Now we can pet her. She's so soft. You gotta rub her like this. You gotta rub her. Oh.
No! No, Kitty, you're supposed to be stay here. And your tail is kind of soft.
She's just nervous. She's never been here before.
No.
Is this Kina?
Yeah.
Megan really wants it to be Tina. She thinks that's hilarious.
Maybe that is a bra.
You like her collar?
Uh-huh.
Mommy got her this for you.
I love my kitty.
Is she so cool?
Yeah.
Is she soft?
Yeah. She's so.
What's that?
Maybe I want one kitty. Like it looks like the same kitty. Like one kitty.
It is the same kitty. Remember the same kitty you saw at the store?
Yeah.
This is that kitty.
Yes. So, can I hold him?
Yeah. You gotta hold on to her so she doesn't run away.
Okay. Aww.
We should probably just go downstairs for a while. There's less places to get under.
Yeah.
They're just smaller, like only the chairs and stuff. And her litter box is down there. So.
Her tail is rubbing on you.
Mm-hmm. Are you so happy?
Yeah. She's kind of cute.
Yeah, she's very cute.
Yeah.